Ten negatives to avoid. 1. Negative people around you. 2. Excuses. 3. People pleasing, boss carrier. 4. Procrastination. 5. Negative self-talks. 6. Self-doubt. 7. Fear of failure, setbacks. 8. Negative thinking. 9. Passing judgment of others. 10. Fear of success. How many do you have? Any further question about this, and if you are still confused, please feel free to click the link below. I do offer a free one-on-one free consultation by me, to get you to understand this 100% so your business could get over this hurdle. For this free service, click the link below www.ericgilljr.com and sign up on my website for a free consultation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Residual Knowledge TV. See you soon.